Is it- Hi, Rishit. How was the homework? Are you back in Texas?
No, I'm not back in Texas, and the homework was like a little harder, the fraction problems.
Little hard on bottom, huh?
The fraction problems.
Let's go over it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, yeah. You want to change your name, huh?
I did.
We'll go over the homework first. Hi, guys. How are you all? We're back. Bhakti. Can I bring the last week homework? Hi, Vibha. Were you able to do the homework, Vibha? Hi, Srinita.
Hi.
The homework, okay?
I haven't finished it yet, but I'm working on it.
I am okay. I'm hearing that it was a little difficult. So let's see. Hi, Rachel. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, ma. So let's see, ma. Maybe see this is something that I've already done and you have not at all done. It's okay not to understand, to understand some of it. Got it? Did you see what I mean? Did you understand what I mean? It's okay to get some. It's okay not to get some. Hi, Nabiha. Hey, Yojit. Okay, Rishit, let me go ahead and take it up. Today, I want to discuss with you graphing of equations and inequalities, though. Okay, apart from the homework, I wanted to discuss graphing of equations and inequalities. Have you started doing word problems at school, guys? Or
Yeah.
no? Oh, yes. Okay, good. Okay, let's see. Okay, how about this? This was the last week homework, right? So, Rachel, you might not know anything of this. So it's okay. Don't worry about if you don't understand anything of this. We are discussing last week's homework. Go ahead, Rishit. What was the problems? What were the problems?
Give me a second. I'm gonna pull it up.
Sure, sure. Bhakti, you tell me, ma, how was the homework, ma?
I was really confused with substitution.
Oh my goodness. Then we will review this, guys. I feel like we'll review. Meaning this is so important part of algebra 1. And when it comes to algebra 2, we'll use a lot of this. Okay.
Yeah, can you help me with problem 30?
Okay, we'll go there. Problem?
31.
Bhakti, be ready with your questions, Bhakti. We'll go over one by one. Okay, I really want you to be good with this before moving on 100%. Ah, okay. See, okay. It has got a lot of fractions. I see what you're saying. Okay, let's go ahead and try. I'll do it on the board. I feel like I should assign one of you as a co-host and then let everybody. Okay, anyway. So we are, okay, what we are working on basically, what is all this? Two line equations is given, are given, right? So two line equations, we need to see this is a line equation, this is a line equation. Okay, we are going to solve algebraically and find one xy value that satisfies both equations. That means this is a line, this is a line. Every point on the line is an xy for this line. Is a point on that line, right? Any point on this line is an xy point of line 2. This is line 1. Now we are going to solve these two equations algebraically and find one point that lies on both the lines. That is the intent. Okay. Last week we discussed substitution, one process, and elimination was the other process. Okay. Whatever review you need on these two, we will do that before moving on to graphing. Now here, Rishit, let me go ahead and do this problem on the board. Did the others get to do this? Vibha, did you do this?
Yeah.
Okay, was it easy?
It was okay. I understood it though.
I see. So let me go ahead and do this. Let me see. So here, I get this one, right? Add x to both sides. When I add x to both sides, I get x is equal to 17 by 2 minus 11 by 4y. Any questions here? No questions, right? Rishit, till this you got it, right? I just
Yeah.
rewrote the equation. Okay. Now the second equation is like, okay. Let me see. Let me think about it. Hold on. Okay. How about this? Here I'll have to find LCM, right? I don't want fractions. Fractions are hard to work with when it comes to solving linear systems. So I'll go ahead and find the LCM. So I'll make this base 4 by multiplying by 2. So this becomes 34. Any questions still here? No. Now 4x will be equal to 34 minus 11y. Rachel, are you following these, whatever I'm doing right now?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Okay. So when you think about this equation, I am making that equation into something that does not have any fraction. What is the second equation? In the second equation, that's altogether in a different form. Let me put it as x equal to. In the same format, it's easier to deal with. So
Wait,
I
Miss
would,
Priya,
yeah, go ahead.
wouldn't 11 times 4 be 44?
Did I make a mistake?
Isn't 17 times 2 34 though?
Yeah, that's what I thought, right, Rishit? Okay, okay.
Oh,
Rishit, the
yeah, I got it.
11 by
I got it.
4y is still here. What we are doing is we are just multiplying this by 2 so that the denominator becomes 4.
Yeah, I got it. Thanks.
Okay, no problem. So 4x equal to 34 minus 11y. Now for the second equation, it's altogether so different and it feels so hard to solve, but it is not when you think about it closely. So I will add 9x to both sides. When I add 9x to both sides, 9x minus 5 will be equal to 11y. You have to think of ways to make our task easy. So here I'll add 5 to both sides. So I'll get the same format. 9x equal to 5 plus 11y. Any questions still here? So now when you look at the equation, see, I can eliminate this. There is a minus 11y and a plus 11y in the second equation. See, that's where you can get a 0. If you add all the left side, add all the right side, you can really eliminate y because there is a minus 11. Any minus 11 plus 11 minus 12y plus 12y minus 1.5x plus 1.5x will get cancelled, right? So make the two
Miss
equations.
Priya,
Go ahead.
isn't minus 5 and plus 5 0?
Yes,
So then why'd you put 5 in the...
this side, right? 9x.
Oh,
Does it make sense?
yeah, sorry.
No, Amma, no problem at all. Please ask. Okay, immediately you'll get that clarified. So here, after this, what happens? See, 13x will be equal to, sometimes I make a mistake and you correct it and it's fine, right? So it's okay to completely ask, blurt it out and then If there is a mistake, we'll fix. If it's not a mistake, then we understand and move on. So now add all the left side, add all the right sides. See, my intent is to eliminate one of the variable. That is what is elimination, right? So this becomes 39. Now divide by 13 on both sides, x is equal to 3. Is it easy, Rishit, now?
Yeah, thank you.
So no. So wait, after x equal to 3, it's not done, right? Go back to this equation. Don't take that. We can take this equation. This is not bad at all. Minus 5 will be equal to minus 9x plus 11y, right? So we can take that equation and substitute x equal to 3. If I substitute x equal to 3, it becomes this. Any question still here? Now add 27 to both sides. This becomes 22 will be equal to 11y, y will be equal to a 2. So x is equal to 3, y equal to 2. That means 3, 2 is the point that lies on both the lines. Any question? That
No.
is the solution to this linear system. What does it mean? Solution to a linear system is a very sophisticated way of saying, hey, that is the only one point that lies at the intersection of these two lines.
I had a question on number 33.
33. We'll do all of whatever you have doubts on. See, when you look at the equation, we should be in a position to bring them to how? How can we bring it to a point where I can eliminate one of the variable? Elimination is very easy, but only thing is you'll have to manipulate the equation, make changes to the equation in a very fair way that one of the variables will get cancelled. I can already see how they can get cancelled. Anybody who can tell how can they get cancelled? See, there is a 12y. I can make another minus 12y come here. How to do that? I want to get rid of fractions. Fractions are never going to help. So any thoughts how to do that?
Multiply
You
the
can-
entire equation by 12.
So multiply the entire each term by 12. I'll multiply this by 12, this by 12, this by 12. I can do that, right? Multiply by 12. So what happens? 1 by 6 times 12 is 2. Let me just write the equation. I'm not done. Okay. 2. This becomes 2 minus 5x will be equal to minus 12x. My problem is my first equation is in a completely, 12y. See, y is on this side, x is on the other side. It's really messy. So let me rewrite my first equation. 12y minus y and x are on one side. The variable is on the other side. I feel that's very neat and clear. Let me bring all the variables to one side. Plus 12y plus 12y. If I do that, this will become minus 5x plus 12y equal to 0. Then I subtract 2 on both sides. I get minus 5x plus 12y equal to a minus 2. But rather than this, see, both are 12y. I cannot eliminate them. I have to subtract. I don't like subtraction. Okay, subtracting equations is all hard. So can I multiply the entire thing by minus 1? If I multiply the entire thing by minus 1 on both the left side and the right side, this becomes 5x minus 12y equal to 2. I will copy that in here. 5x under x I write. That is a plus 5x. Here there is no sign, so there is a plus 5x minus 12y equal to 2. See, nicely we can eliminate the y. So x directly, see, minus 4x plus 5x is x will be equal to, I'm going to add both the sides, 10. Now I can substitute this x back here. How to substitute? 12y equal to 40 plus 8. What did I do? I substituted 10, 40 and I added 8 on both sides. This went off, this became 48. So 12y equal to 48, y will be equal to 4. So what is the point that lies on both the equation? 10, 4. Who asked this actually? Srinita, right? Or Bhakti? Anya asked, right? Is it clear, ma?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I wanted to solve one more, guys, because I'm not very comfortable that you all are getting it. You want me to solve more or do you want to try?
Can we try?
You want to try one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take okay, I'll give you my own equations. Okay, hold on. Can I stop screen share? Let me go ahead and share the whiteboard. One second, guys. Are you able to see my board? Whiteboard?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, let's try this one. How about this? I'll give you an easy one, then we'll go to a harder one, okay? One second. I don't want this problem set, so just bear with me for a minute. Okay. Okay, how about this? I'll give you my equations. Yep. So let's see this one. I will first go over elimination, right? Meaning I want you to do this using elimination. Let's see. You are seeing the board, right? The question is on the board. 10x plus 4y equal to -1, 8x minus 2y equal to 7. This is a line equation. There are two line equations. We are solving the linear system. Linear system means two or more linear line equations. Okay. How are we solving them? Solving means we are trying to find the intersection of both the lines. Where do the two lines meet? Where does the two line meet? And the XY coordinate point we are trying to find. Okay. Can we go ahead and try that? So see, you should be thinking, hey, how can I eliminate the variable? What action if I do to which equation I will be able to eliminate one of the variables? That is elimination. Can you do that, guys? Give me 1 minute, I'll be back. Rachel, to just bring you up to speed, you can use the chat window to chat with me the answers. If you don't get it, it's fine to just let me know. I didn't get it. Whoever, all of you, it applies to all of you. If you didn't get it or you're stuck, hey, I'm stuck here, auntie, then please feel free to do it on the board directly. I'm going to have my breakfast, guys. Go ahead. If you're stuck at a particular point, right, that is where you have to send it to me or clearly write it on the board.
Is my coordinate point correct?
Yeah. 1 minute, Rishit. I'm just checking. Hold on. Correct. Rishit, Vibha got it. Adira, correct, ma'am. Adira, correct, ma'am. Adira, what are they doing in school, Adira?
I'm trying to remember. We're still doing stuff with graphing, domain and range, but we've been like doing that for a while, but we're just doing like more it's like the x-intercept, y-intercept, and plotting all of that, I guess.
Is it easy for you?
It's really easy.
Good to know. Okay, Anya, how about you, ma'am?
We just finished like absolute value equations and stuff. So like we're writing like the linear equations and graphing them, and like we're
Anya, I'm listening. Anya, are you speaking on mute? Okay, she's gone. Okay, let's move on. Did you guys get it? How many of you didn't get it? There are people who didn't get it. It's okay. Yojit, can you check I don't think that's right. See, Srinitha and Yojit both got a 2. Can one of you work it out on the board? I can see. Hey, Krishiv, that's right. But can you please work out the y value once more? You're making a minor mistake, Krishiv.
Okay.
A very minor mistake, but just the y. X is correct. Vinisha, correct. Vinisha, your signs are messed up, ma. Actually, you're doing it right. Your signs are messed up. That's okay. Bhakti, I'm going to help you, Bhakti.
Okay, sorry. The thing cut. So like we're writing equations in like point slope and point intercept, and then like we're identifying and writing equations that are like parallel and perpendicular lines, and then we're doing best lines of fit.
Oh, okay. Okay. Seema, we didn't do best lines of fit yet, but we completed those parallel perpendicular lines before you moved in.
Yeah,
Miss
those are
Priya, do you want
really
me to
easy.
Okay. Can I
And
do it
then
on the board?
this week we're gonna do like arithmetic sequences.
Oh, I see. I see. Okay, good to know. Arithmetic sequences, geometric sequences, I completed here, ma.
Yeah, they're really easy. I've done them before too.
Makes sense, ma. Completely makes sense. Akshada, where is your answer, Akshada?
I can't find the Y.
You can't find the y. What is x?
I got I think half.
Correct. Good job. Okay, Srinitha, would you mind working on the board? Srinitha, please.
Yeah, I can work it out.
Thanks. Okay, only when you show directions, I'll be able to see what is the mistake. Because Yojit also has the same answer, which is wrong. Nabiha, where are we?
I for the x value, I got 7/18, which I know is wrong, so I was a little confused.
Okay, wait. So you rewrote the first equation. After that?
And then the second equation I rewrote. Oh, wait.
Rachel, for me to understand you a little better, I want to know where are we? Linear regression, okay. Vinisha, sign is still wrong, ma. Anya, that's right.
Can you check my second answer?
Anya, that's right, but I didn't. Yeah, you got it, Anya. I got 2 different values. Okay, can you tell me what are the 2 different values, Rachel?
I got like -1/10 and then 7/16.
Oh, no problem. Yeah, meaning, see, some of them are telling 7/18. That's okay. Okay, so something is wrong. Okay, let Srinitha work it out and then I'll deal with each of you.
Okay.
That's what I know. Exactly the same thing.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me see. 14. So you added both the equations. Yeah, wait, see. Okay, you guys are in a hurry. See here. This one is a 13, right? See, divide by 26 on both sides, right?
Oh.
See?
yeah.
Yours, did you see?
I completely forgot about that.
Only 1/2. It's a simple mistake. Okay.
Okay.
Now, Nabiha or Rachel, do you want to let us know what you... We can find out the mistakes if you can do it on the board. That's the only intent, okay? One of you, whoever wants, whoever would like to, please work it out. Otherwise, call out, I will write down.
I think I know what my mistake was. I think I forgot to multiply the 7 by 2 as well.
Okay, you want to redo?
Yeah.
Nabiha, can you tell me, ma? I'll work with you.
I didn't multiply the entire equation by 2. Instead, I just added the 10x and the 8x, and then I subtracted the 4y the 2y from the 4y.
Yeah, if you're going to do that, right, Nabiha, what would happen? You tell me. What would happen is you will still have 2 variables, which is a pain. I really want to eliminate one of them, right?
Yeah, exactly. And I'm pretty sure I made a miscalculation somewhere. So
You got this, no problem. So did you get this, or your intent is to eliminate? How can you eliminate? Only when there is a plus and a minus. For at least one of the variables. 10 and 18 are hard. 10 and 8 are hard. I don't want to make big multiplication, but it's easy to multiply with a 2 everywhere. You get it?
yeah, I got it.
Now you can directly cancel this and this will get added. You got it. Okay, now. So that's elimination. Let's see. Rachel, where are we?
I think I got it.
Okay. Okay. Let's do one more. Meaning, guys, I really want you to be quick and nice in this. Then only I'll move on. Okay. Let's see. How about this? Akshata, I'm not getting answers from you, ma. I really wanted to do graphing today, guys, somehow. Mahir, are you following me? Navya, where are we? I'm not getting answers from you, Navya. Why? You're sending? Navya, what are you doing in school?
We just started identifying systems.
Oh, okay.
Do we use
Linear systems?
or elimination based one?
Is it linear systems, ma?
I think.
Okay, good. This is the second problem we are doing. Take your time. Don't make mistake on the signs. Try to be fair to the equation. You'll never make mistakes. Very nice, Srinita. Try if you don't get it. See, these are unrelated values. So what you do, you have to multiply both the equations by some number to bring it to the same. Rachel, correct, ma? Hema, sorry, Anya. If you want me to call you Anya, you have to put it as the first name. Correct. That's right, Anya. Srinita, Anya, Rachel, you all got it. Rachel, if I may ask you, right, is this the first time you're solving this or have you solved this at school already?
We already finished this unit in school, but like we didn't learn this yet. Like we're in a different unit now. Like
Yeah.
we're
Uh-huh. I get it, but have you solved linear systems?
no.
Okay. It'll come. It's a part of algebra 1 only. Vibha, correct. Navya, can I get your answer? Bhakti, I really want your answer. Mahir, I really want your answer. Vinisha, I really want to know how you did it. X value seems incorrect, Mahir. I can help you. You want to do it on the board or can I do it on the board for you? Adira, how did you get that? Can you explain?
Wait, I think I messed up.
No, it's okay. What is that? Tell me. How did you do?
One sec, one sec.
Yeah. See, only when you mess up, then to learn only we are here, right? So go ahead. How did you do? Rashid, correct. See, when you solve the equation, if you arrive at a true statement in mathematics, then the line coincides. Both the lines are coinciding. They have infinitely many points lying on both the lines. If you arrive at a very false statement like let's say x equal to 4x or 2 equal to minus 2, if you arrive at false statements like that, then there is no solution, meaning the lines are parallel. Nabiha, good job. Akshada, please help me, ma. You do it on the board. I'll help you. That's incorrect. Can you do it on the board? Mahir, if you can do it on the board, then I can help you, Mahir. I know some kids are waiting. It's okay. Let's see. Okay. Should I do that, Akshada, here? When you multiply? Yeah, go ahead and do ma. Just once. Yeah. See, one thing is if you log in from an iPad, it's very easy to write it on the board. Go ahead. Yojit. That is not correct. You want to do it on the right side, Yojit?
Why?
Something is wrong. That's why.
Can we double check that? Yeah.
Yeah, but that doesn't seem, for both X and Y, something seems wrong. So it is that you need to visualize things and how to eliminate one of the variables. That's elimination. Vinisha, correct one. Good. Are you finding algebra 1 easy now, Anisha?
Yeah.
Nice. Proud of you because you accelerated, right? Just like that. Yeah, which was hard, honestly. See, Akshada, you're getting a different value. How come? That's right. How did you get the correct value now?
I think instead of 31, I put 21 on accident.
Okay. Just a computation mistake. I got it. Thank you, ma'am. Krishiv, good job. Wait, please don't make me pick, guys. I will watch who is doing and who's not doing. Hey, Bhakti, where is your answer, Bhakti?
I sent like my last step and then
I saw, but how did you get that? Can you do it on the board for me, quick? Yojit, I'm yet waiting for your corrected answer. Bhakti, can you please do it quickly on the board, ma? Some are waiting, so I really want to move on. Can you do it on the board, Bhakti? Thank you, Bhakti. Where did you get that from? See, Bhakti, there has to be continuity. Yes, I saw this in the chat, ma, but how did how did you get that?
I combined the wait.
Navya, correct, ma. Krishiv, correct. Navya, tests do you complete quickly at school, Navya?
Sometimes it depends on the topic.
Oh, so you end up not being able to complete it in time, huh?
Usually I do.
Usually you do, okay. See, for you, Navya, if you, in case you're finding the not being able to complete it on time means you have to work out more problems and time yourself for the homework. That will help you a lot. Bhakti, can I write it on the board?
Yeah.
What did you tell me?
I added y to both sides and then I got
Where first equation? You have to be very clear in telling.
I added these.
You added these. When you add these, how will you get? You will get both the variables, right? 9x minus y. Two variables will be there. I want to get rid of one of them, right?
Yeah.
How to get rid of one of them? Only when the coefficient of one of the variables is the same. How to make the coefficients the same? What to do? When will I multiply? Meaning, what if I multiply with, I can make the coefficients the same. See, there is a plus and a minus here. Would I be able to make this number and this number the same? How to make them the same, Bhakti? Quick. Multiply by? See, 3 and 4 do not have any common factors. So find their LCM. What is the LCM? 12, right? How to bring it to 12? Multiply this equation by 4. 16x plus 12y equal to 13 times 4. Multiply the second equation by what, Bhakti?
3.
3. Good job. See, you got it. 15x minus 12y. See, plus and minus is there. So easy to eliminate. Add the left and the right side. 31x equal to 31. X equal to 1. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I think it's high time we go to graphing, guys. I really want you all to solve. Now we solved it by elimination. Substitution, whoever needs help, I'll see whether I have time to go over it. But I really want you guys to get the graphing today. Okay, 4x plus 3y equal to 13. How to graph it? What is the slope of that equation? Who can help me? Okay, equation 1. I'm going to solve the same question using graphing. How to graph it? 4x plus 3y equal to 13. How will I
graph the slope intercept?
Yeah, change it to slope intercept form. How to change it to slope intercept form? I have to solve for y. So, go ahead, please go ahead. I didn't hear you.
Subtract 4x.
Yep, done. And then
you divide by 3.
Yep. So y will be equal to minus 4 by 3x plus 13 by 3. Horrible equation. So see, if this is slope, right? Then if it is a negative slope, right? Then it is a downward, meaning if it is a negative slope, then the line goes down. If it is a positive slope, line goes up. Are you all aware of that? Yes. Okay, good. Now the thing is, I don't want to work with fractions or anything. Okay, I want to make my job easy. Okay, the quickest way to graph, I'll tell you. Okay, I'll take this equation, substitute x equal to 0. What is y? Y equal to 13 by 3. I got 1 point. Second step, substitute y equal to 0 this time. Y becomes 0, this entire term goes off, right? So x will be equal to 13 by 4. I got 2 points in the graph. What are those 2 points? 0, 13 by 3 and 13 by 4, 0. Any questions still here? Now 0, 13 by 3, 4s are 12, 4.3. This one is 3, 4, 3s are 12, 1, 0. So basically 0, I will draw it quickly. 0, 4.3, 0, 4.3, and then 3.3, 0. So this is my line. Any questions on this? You know what? Let me try to draw a nice line. Let me see whether I can draw a nice line.
So you just have the X and Y intercepts.
Yes, it's easy, right? That's the easiest way of graphing, I always feel. Instead of putting the slope intercept form and then this is the y-intercept, and after that using the slope you'll have to draw the line. Easiest way is to substitute, get the x-intercept, y-intercepts. Let's try with the second equation. I need to draw the second line, right? So equation 2, let me put it in a different color. Equation 2. What is that? 5x minus 4y equal to minus 7. This is very easy to substitute x equal to 0. So y will be equal to 7 by 4. A single line you can write out answers. Y equal to 0. X will be minus 7 by 5. Okay, so the points are, please write down the points just like that. In a hurry, don't put 0, 7 by 4, 0, minus 7 by 5. It is minus 7 by 5, 0. Okay, so this one is minus 1.4, 0. Here this would be 0, 4, 1s are 4, 5, 6, 7, 7s are 20. So 0, 1.7, 0, 1.7, then minus 1.4, 0. Minus 1.4 is, 0. Okay, so I'll go ahead and draw a line. This you can, all of you do you, okay, I need to talk about calculators without fail. Wait, let me first do this.
Wait, Mrs. Priya,
Yeah, go ahead.
I have a question. So when you have like it in fractions, would you rather put it in fractions or would you change it to decimals?
For me to plot it easier, I put it in decimals.
Do I need to go
Okay,
get a
thank you.
graphing calculator?
Yeah, I'm going to come there. Hold on 1 minute, okay? So the intersection point is this. Ma, in this scenario, what was our last answer? 1, see, we are getting it, I think, right? Meaning if it is a nice line with grids, right? You will clearly know that this is 1, 3. Do you see it, guys? Here we don't have the grids in here, right? I don't have any grid here, so you're not able to see it. But you will, meaning if you draw it in a proper graph, you'll clearly see it intersects at 1, 3. This is how you solve it by graphing. Clear? Adhira, are you with me?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay. Okay. So see, 1, 3 is a lattice point. So it's easy. If I put lattice point means 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 5. These are lattice points. Non-lattice points are minus 1.2, 1.3, like that. These are non-lattice points. So if the answers are like that, it's difficult to do it via graphing. These are easy to do with graphing. Usually they give like this for you, for graphing. Does it make sense? So how do you solve linear systems using graphing? You just graph the line, see the intersection point. How to graph each of them? The easiest way is find the x and y intercepts. You get 2 points. 2 points are enough to draw a line. You can draw the lines and graph them. Any questions? Okay, now let me go ahead and give you one more problem. You can do your own graph. Let me know the intersection point, but I would like to see your graphs at random on the video. Okay, let's try. Hold on.
So now do we need to get graphing calculators?
Yeah. Thank you for asking. On that graphing calculator, how many of you have the TI-84 calculator already with you guys?
I do.
All of you do? Okay. See, honestly, I would want you to bring the graphing calculators and I want to show you how to put those on the graphing calculator. Do you know how to put these equations in the graphing calculator?
Yeah, because we have it in our school, the calculator.
Calculate, but have you bought one, Rishit?
No, not
You
yet.
can use the online Desmos graphing calculator.
That's fine for me. Meaning, if you want to use the, I don't want you to use Desmos, please. Okay, you know why? Meaning for SAT and all, it's time bound. Okay, so you cannot be meddling with your calculator to understand how it works in a SAT exam. You see, so you have to get used to your own calculators. Please buy the TI-84. It's okay. It is going to be $125. But then it is worth buying that TI-84 calculator. You know, for now, what I'm going to do, I want to show you, right? So the same question, I want to show you using graphing using a calculator. For that, you know what I'm going to do? Wait, I'll show you. You have an app as well. That is okay. You can use a TI app online. TI-84. TI-84 CE Plus is the calculator that you should use. Okay. That calculator is allowed in a SAT exam. Okay. So the calculator, if you buy, right, it's not going to be useless. You will perfectly use it for your SAT exam or whatever, ACT, whatever you take. So it is worth buying and getting used to the calculator right away. Don't postpone that. Okay. It is for your benefit. I'm saying don't postpone that. Okay. Now I have the calculator, but one of you should read out the problem to me. Would you mind reading out the problem to me? Do you have the problem with you? 4x plus 3y equal to 13. I'll share my screen. Do you see the calculator on the screen? Okay. Now, so I go to, guys, the calculator comes up like this when you switch it on. Okay. So I go to what? I go to y equal to, see? Y1 is the first graph, y2 is the second graph. So please, can you tell me those equations? I'll write it down here, one of you. Shout out, ma. Shout out the question, guys.
4x plus 3y is equal to 13.
And one?
And then 5x minus 4y is equal to negative 7.
Okay. Here you can't input this, okay? These are y equal to equations. So you have to bring them to slope intercept form. There's no other go, okay? So 13 minus 4x by 3 is the slope intercept form. 13 minus 4x divided by 3 will be equal to y. Here, what is the slope intercept form? 5x plus 7 equal to 4y. Y will be equal to 5x plus 7 by 4. So I get this is equation 2. This is equation 1. Any question till here? Okay, now how am I going to type it? That's the next thing, right? I will type y equal to 5x plus, okay, first equation I'll type 13 minus 4x. See, the bracket is important. 13 minus, oh, what? Not typing anything. Great. Okay, 13 minus, so I have to start with the parenthesis. Oh, I know why. Okay. I'll have to start with the parenthesis 13 minus 4x. This all you will get only when you have a calculator. Today I will show you. Go home. For every class, I expect you to have the calculator or do it online like this. Okay. 13 minus 4x divided by 3. It's not a waste of money. So please buy the calculator because anyway for SAT and all, you should have your own calculator. So it will be definitely useful. So buy it and get used to it at home. Okay. Divide by, right? Divide by 3. I typed my first equation. So use your arrow key to come down. Second equation is again parenthesis 5x plus 7. That is 5x plus 7 divided by 4. Any questions still here? So this is done. You know what? Now I go to graph. See, it's already there for me. You got it? There is an intersection point shown. But the problem is how to find it. We can't find it in this calculator, right? So you know what you do? Go to second calc. Do you see calculate? Do you see it coming? So select fifth, intersect. Now it has selected what intersection point? The intersection of the first line with the y-axis. That's not what we want. Press enter. Now it has selected the the y-axis in the second line. That's not what we want. Enter. This is also incorrect. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I'm going to go to second calc. I'm going to choose 5. I got it. See, intersect has come. So intersect is at 1, 3. Do you see 1, 06, 2.91? So answer is 1, 3. Any questions?
Can we do another one?
You want to do another one? Okay, sure. Can you give me 2 equations from our homework itself? Can you read out? Anybody, please go to the homework. Just read out one question.
Okay.
Then.
25
Okay.
equals 25 equals minus 12x plus 11y. And the second one is 2y plus 5x equals negative 13.
Is it correct? Please verify, Rishit.
Yeah, I just pulled out the homework.
Yeah, that's fine. But are the equations correct?
What do you mean by that?
No. Please recheck if you have read out the equations correctly. That's all.
Yeah, 25 equals negative 12x plus 11y.
Correct.
The second one is 2y plus 5x equals negative 13.
Good. So let's go to equation number 1. I will write it in slope intercept form. How to write it in slope intercept form? 25 plus 12x by 11 equal to y. Equation 2. Please don't abuse calculators, okay? That's not why I'm working with you to show you how to. That's not my intent at all. But you should be very comfortable with using a calculator as you move up. That is the intent. For checking, use it. That's fine. But don't abuse it. Do it in the calculator and just send the answer to me. That you don't do, okay? Now here, so this would be minus 13 minus 5x divided by 2 will be equal to y. So I have written it in slope intercept form. Now I go back. Where should I go? I go back to y equal to. See, y equal to. Now I want to clear this. That's not my equation. So I come down, clear that as well. Those are old problems, right? Then I go up. When I go up, I can type 25 plus 12x by 11, right? 25 plus.
Wait, Miss Priya, it isn't working like
What is not working?
anything.
Means what? You have to clearly describe what you're facing. Then I will tell.
Like I don't get where to click first.
Okay, I'll help you. Can I finish this and help you?
Yeah.
No problem. Minus 13 minus 5x divide by 2. Okay, I've typed both the equations. Go to graph. Ah, there it is. But I don't know the intersect, right? Go to second calc. See, the blue ones work by pressing the second button. The green, all the greens, A, B, C, D, all that work by pressing the green button. Do you see green? And then you have to press that button to get that A, B, C, D. So that's how it works. Second and then calc. When I do that, you go to list whatever I need to find. But I just want the intersect, right? Press that. Ah, there it is. 0, 2.27. Make sense? Rishit, is that the answer? Can you check?
Yeah, give me a second.
Yeah, sure.
We always round the quiz to the nearest whole number, right?
Not really, ma Yojit. If it is, see, this 2.27, I can't round it, right, Yojit? See, if it is 2.99, I can round it to 3. You see what I mean?
Okay.
I don't think, meaning I can't round this to anything. Yojit, Rishit, are you
My
finding?
calculator is not working correctly because for the last equation and this equation, I got the same spot.
No problem, Rishit. What I am requesting you is go to the homework, see the answer. Are we doing?
Oh.
Yeah, I have to do inequalities with you guys.
Yep,
Negative
I
3,
got
comma
something
1.
else.
Negative 3, 1 now.
Yeah.
Wait, 25 plus 12x by 11 minus 13 minus 5x divide by 2. That's correct. Did I type the equation? Let me check, Ma. Did I type the equation correctly? The equation is definitely wrong. Let me check, Ma. Wait. Okay, now let's go ahead. Okay, let me see what is the problem. 25 plus 12x divided by 11. Minus 13. Did you type x there? Something is not right. Wait. Let me come down. 13. Something feels wrong there, right? What is that there?
Miss Priya, I think it might be the multiplication sign you added next to the between the 13 and the negative sign.
Oh, by mistake, I didn't mean to add. Minus 13 minus 5x divided by 2. Okay, so now go to your graph. Wow, what is going on, guys? Okay, let's see. I'm going to go to y equal to minus 13x minus 5x divided by 2. 25 plus 12x divided by 11. Graph.
I think you put the wrong sign. Like for
What wrong
for
sign?
negative 13, you put the subtraction sign instead of the.
Yes. Good job. So minus, see, very nice, very nice. See here. This is the minus sign you need to use. But before that, hold on. There is a minus sign and a subtraction, guys, in the calculator. You need to be careful. That's why you need to get used to the calculator nicely. This is the minus sign. This is the subtraction sign. Both are different. The minus sign is the shorter one. Okay, clear it. Now I'll put the minus sign. Minus 13 minus 5x bracket close divide by 2. This should be it. I'll go to where? Graph. No.
Is it the other one? Since it's in like the row of division, multiplication, subtraction and stuff.
I think you forgot the parentheses for the
No.
second one.
No. Again, see there, I think it's a problem. See, there is parenthesis inserted. You see there is a sign that's inserted. Do you see it? You know what? Okay, wait. I know what is the problem. Yeah, I think I know. See here. I inserted the bracket and then it is a minus 13x. Let me write it down. Okay, I know why, because I was typing it in the laptop, it is only inserting a minus sign. Okay, let me put it nicely. Wait, bracket minus 13 and then subtract 5x divide by 2. Okay, so now let's go to graph. See, we got it. Okay, so the
Wait,
first
Miss Priya, where's the X?
X is this one, Ma. I'll show you. See, ask questions like this and that. Did you get it? Anya, did you get it? Okay.
Yes.
So now we know. Now what do? I go to second calc. Now see, it's giving the wrong intersect. So keep on pressing enter till I get the right intersect. Doesn't
Can't
want
you just press second and the calc thing and then press the intersect thing?
second calc 5 I'll press. But that's not correct. I got it now. So answer is what, Rishit, for this one?
-3, 1.
-3, 1 na. Something feels so wrong to me.
I got approximately 2 by 0.
Yeah, 2, 0.4 is what I am getting. Minus divide by 2.
Like, can you go back to the area where you put the inputs in?
Actually, the input has got meaning. I have to work with my hard copy of the calculator, I feel. Hold on. Definitely there's something wrong. Where did I put the inputs on? In y equal to. So 25 plus 2x. See, the first equation is definitely right, ma. Second equation has all the issues to it. Okay, I'll do one thing.
Different types of, like you have -13 and there's a different type of negative from
What I'm going to do, I'll type in properly. 13 plus I'll go. 13 plus 5x. Good to see these problems. 13 plus 5x, right? 13 plus 5x. What is this? 13 plus, see, using the calculator is a separate art. Plus 5x divide by -2 I'll put. I will use this itself. It's hard on me. Divide by -2 I'll put, okay? Again, wait, delete. Delete, there is a button to delete one by one, right? Where is it? I don't
I
want
think you have to click the
Above
arrow.
stat. It's above stat.
above.
Stat.
Delete is better to use. So I will use the arrow delete. That deletes it. Arrow delete. Let's go in here. So now graph. Even then, no, the same answer you are getting. You said 3, 1, but I'm getting the answer as something else. Okay, anyway, I'll work this out and show you. What is the question number in the homework for this one, Rishit?
30.
30, yeah, okay. So this is, I am getting 2.4, 0.4 only. 30, yeah. Rishit, I'll do it at home and I'll send it to you in the WhatsApp group. We don't need to waste more time. Question number 30 in the homework, Rishit.
30.
Question number 30, right?
Yeah.
In graphing. So this is how you do it. You know the process now, right? Okay. What is that Bhakti you're finding it tough for you to type in the calculator?
I don't know. I don't think I think I got the same answer before, but no, sorry, I got a different answer before, but now it's the same.
Okay, so you're good typing in the calculator?
Yeah.
Okay, at the end of it, you should know how to type it in the calculator, how to find the intersect. Can I move on? Okay, I really want to go to inequalities. I know we are already running out of time, but I really want to do inequalities, make you understand inequalities. Okay, it'll take 10 minutes. Okay, let's see. Graphing and inequalities I wanted to complete today for sure. Wait, there is my notes. Okay, circling back here. We have done only equations, right? Let me give you one inequality. I'll show you one inequality. Okay. Inequality is easy, just the way we do for equalities we do, or just the way we do for equations we do. But then inequalities will have inequalities in them. That's all. What is hard about inequalities? I'll let you know now. Hold on. See, I don't want these. Hold on. Graph inequalities. Okay. So let's see this one. Good problems. Okay. Let's see this one. I'm going to give you a problem. The same. Okay. Two, instead of linear equations, I'm going to give you inequalities. The problem with this inequality, everybody gets confused right at the first shot. Okay. The thing is, take these as equations. Take these as equations and plot the line. Okay, let's plot it. I'm going to algebraically do and then show it to you in the calculator. Again, the same process, okay? So now, the first inequality. First inequality is y is less than 2x plus 5, right? Same thing. We are not going to change anything here. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 5. Put y equal to 0, x will be equal to minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 2.5. So what are the points? 0, comma 5, minus 2.5, comma 0. Any questions still here? Any questions still here?
Miss
Yes.
Priya, I have a question.
What is it?
When you did the y equals 5, shouldn't it be y is less than 5?
No. I'm just trying to find out points on the line, that's all.
Oh, okay.
I'm just trying to find points on this line. The line is y equal to 2x plus 5. Okay, I have not yet graphed it. Meaning, I'll tell you what. So here, 0, comma 5, and then minus 2.5, comma 0. 0, comma 5. Okay, so I'm plotting the inequality. Any questions still here? I'm just plotting the line for these 2 points. Okay, nothing else I'm doing. Be able to extend this. Okay, now I just graph the line. Similarly, for the second one, I need to graph it, right? Second one is, let's draw, okay. Here, the major difference is this is inequality, right? So we are not yet actually done. We drew the line for y equal to 2x plus y 5. That's all we did. But see what is given. This is our line. Please understand, this is our line. But y should be less than means whatever portion we need, that is y. That portion is less than the line. Less than the line means line is there. So where should we shade? We'll start shading in inequalities. Meaning, just look at the y-axis. All the y-axis part that is below the line, less than all the y-axis part that's below the line. So what happens here? Do you get it, guys? This is quite important. Everybody gets confused. So please, how do we do it? Just look at the y-axis. All parts of the y-axis less than the line means below the line. Now, I'm going to solve the second equation. Y is greater than or equal to minus half x plus 1. Let me use a different color so we are clear. Y is greater than or equal to minus half x plus 1. What are the points? Now I need 2 points, right? X equal to 0, y equal to 1. Y equal to 0, x will be equal to minus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 times 2 by minus 1 is equal to 2. Yup, 0, comma 2, 0, comma 1. No, see, 0, comma 1, 2, comma 0. 0, comma 1, 2, comma 0. Any questions still here? I'm just plotting the line again. How to plot the line? Okay, so here we go. Okay, now where do we shade? One of you help me with shading. How to shade it? Y is greater than or equal to that. What does it mean?
Shade it above.
So you can shade until that unit, until that point.
Y is greater than or equal to. Okay.
You shade above though.
So all parts of the y-axis, just look at the y-axis. All part of the y-axis, it's above the line. You get it? But there is another difference. There is another difference between these two equations. Did you see?
It's the
One,
Is it the equal to?
exactly. The equal to sign is present here. The equal to sign is not present there. So there has to be some difference, right? We did not address the difference. So see, a point on this line is also, meaning a point on this line is also counted, meaning that is a hard line, meaning we draw it as a nice line. But for the first equation, y is less than only is given. So that is incorrect. The way we have done is definitely incorrect on the first line. So how do we rectify it? I'm going to take this off. This line is not definitely the way it should be. Why? Because It is only less than. So I cannot take any point on the line because it's not equal to. On the line is not accounted for. So how do I change it? How do I manage to change it at least? I will draw a dashed line. Do you guys get it? I won't draw a full line because a point on the line is not a solution. So I will draw a dashed line because the equal to sign is not present here. Am I clear, guys? So now what is the solution? Where does the shading coincide? Where does the shading coincide? So this part, right? Remember, this is a dashed line. Remember, guys, this is a dashed line. I have to maintain that. This is a thick line. So this is the overlapping piece. This is our solution, meaning any point within this region, be it any point within this region, is a solution for this inequality. The thing is, a point on the dashed line, right? It is not a solution. A point on the thick line, right, is still a solution to the inequality. Any questions? Inequality is easy, provided you understand. First, you plot the two lines, okay? But when you shade the region, see the y-axis alone. This means all parts of y below the line. This means all parts of y-axis that are above or equal to the line. That means this is a thick line. This is a dotted line. Dotted line means points on the line are not solutions. Thick line means points on the line are solutions as well. So after shading both, whatever overlap it is, right? Any point within that overlapping region is a solution to this linear inequality system. You get it? Does it make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Can I do one more problem?
Okay.
We'll do just one more. How about this? It's so easy to use a calculator and do. Okay, calculator gives you everything. How about this? Do it by hand, this one. Algebraically, you have to know. So don't abuse the calculator. Go ahead and do this one and show me on the video. You're going to graph it. Literally, find the 2 points. Graph the lines. Please shade. One should be a thick line. One should be a dotted line. One should be a thick line. One should be a dotted line. If you don't understand, stop and ask. See, the intent of these classes is to understand the concept here nicely. Go ahead.
Wait, Miss Priya, what does dotted look like again?
Dotted looks like dotted just it's just dash lines, ma. Dash lines. Did you get it? Do you understand what I mean, Bhakti?
Wait, so what is shaded?
Shade means you're shading a region, right? Less than all the region that's less than.
Oh,
You got it?
yeah.
I'll do it if you want to.
Miss Priya, can you please do it on the board later? I'm not able to understand.
Absolutely. Who's that? Anya. Anya, you didn't understand? I just need to know who didn't understand, so I address them particularly.
Yeah, I didn't really understand.
Oh, nice. Vinisha, you guys are okay. Nice, Bhakti. You're able to send the calculator snapshots. So nice.
Yeah, that's what I don't get. Like, I can't send the calculator like picture.
Vinisha, you don't have to have a calculator. You see, okay. You know how I went to the online calculator. I'll show you guys. You can use the same thing, right? You're not bound to have the calculator. I cannot force you to have the calculator as well. Let me show you. See, there are apps. If you put TI-84 on your mobile, you can install the app. That's the best way to get it. Okay. Now let me see. Let me share my screen and show you. Share. Do you see the you know what I do? I just type this and I'm not using any app or anything. Online TI-84 calc. Okay. See, Sage Calc is there, right? I go there. Okay. They ask me to go to test nav. In that, they're asking me to start a test and then go to the. I don't want Desmos calculator. Don't use this Desmos calculator. Okay. It's so misleading. You can't be using two different calculators. Okay. It'll just confuse you. Go here. That's it. Is that enough, Vinisha?
Yeah.
But you know what? Don't use the calculator. I'm saying do it algebraically with your hand. Show me the graph and the notebook that you have. I want to see what is the graph you made for this inequality. The inequality was what I showed you on the board. For this inequality, I want you to plot the lines. Let's see.
Can you show the inequality?
Yama, that's what I'm doing. Hold on. Meaning I missed it. I don't know where I.
Miss Priya, can you check mine?
I will, ma. You have sent the answer. 1 minute. Let me share the.
No, I can't send the answer. It's on my notebook.
Oh, yeah. Show me. 1 minute, ma. Bhakti, yeah. Who has it on the notebook? You can show me. I'm
Me.
watching. Hey, one by one, guys. Who is showing me? Please tell me the name.
Anya.
Anya, I need to see you. Hold on. Yeah, Anya. So which is the overlapping shaded portion, ma? I want to see that.
Okay.
Rishit, I saw. Rishit, I saw. Anya, I didn't see yours yet. Wait. You're more than welcome to show me, but let Anya is going to show me. Yes, Rishit, for you, I'm seeing, but I don't know whether that is the answer. I have to do it and see, right? Hold on. I have the calculator. I'll see. I will do it myself, guys. Hold on. So let me do it. I'll show you 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1, right? 2x minus 1. Where will you shade it is the biggest task of this. It should be greater than or equal to 2x minus. y2 will be equal to minus x plus 5. 5 minus x I can put. Okay. Now graph. What graph is like? One second.
Miss Priya, can I show you my notebook?
Yes. 1 second, ma. 1 second, ma.
Okay.
Give me 1 minute, okay? I'm doing it in my calculator.
This is what I got.
This 1 minute, I'm checking. Y is greater than or equal to 2x minus 1. Y is greater than or equal to 2x minus 1. Y is less than. So y is greater than is the first graph.
Miss Priya.
Yes. Okay. Rishit, I think your answer is correct, Rishit. Show me, ma. Yes. Rishit, I saw yours. Anya, you have to bring it nearby. If you blur your screen, I cannot read anything. Okay?
It's not blurring.
For you. No. Not for you, Anya. That is right, Akshada. But where do you shade it? Anya, I'm not able to see yours, ma. Nita, I want to see yours well. Can you bring it in front? Yes, Akshada, that's right. But what is the overlapping portion? Can you show it to me nicely? Overlapping portion is, yes, that's right, ma. Akshada, that's right. Anisha, I am not able to see your shade, ma. I'm
Can
sorry.
you see?
Yes, I can see. Yes, but yeah. Ugh. Anya, I'm not able to see. I'm not able to confirm, I feel, with Anya, you. Because I don't think it's right, I feel. Srinita, your shading, I'm really not able to see.
Did you see it now?
Part is shaded, I don't see. Sorry. I think yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So here I have 2 points, 0, comma minus 1. And then Rachel, are you able to do?
I think I'm a bit confused on how to.
See, does that look better or not that?
Anya, yes, Anya, but I don't know whether it's correct. Let me check. Let me do it on the board, Anya. Where are we getting confused? Nabiha, where are we getting confused?
I'm a little confused on the graphing part.
You're a little confused on the graphing part, huh? Graphing, I'll show you, ma. So here, algebraically, I'm doing. See, I'm drawing it on the board. Equation 1 and equation 2, I'm going to do. This is equation 1, 0, comma, minus 1. Okay. And then half, comma, 0. Half, comma, 0 is this one, right? So my one line will be somewhat like this, right? The thing is, y is greater than or equal to means above the line. You're going to shade. Nabiha, are you getting it? Nabiha, did you get it? Above the
Yeah,
line.
I
Y
got it.
greater than or equal to means above the line. Y is less than or equal to means first let me plot it 0, comma 5. 5, comma 0. 1, 2, 3. So here below the line, the thing is, see, this is dotted line. Below the line, I'll shade. So what is the overlapping piece? Overlapping piece is the inverted V, meaning the left facing V. This is a dotted line, so no point on that part. Then this is a thick line. My solution. Any point in this region is the solution. Am I clear, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, who did not get it? Did not get it. I'll stop here, but who did not get it? If you did not get it, stay and get clarified. If you got it, we'll stop here. But your homework will be on inequalities and equations using graphing.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, Miss
Bye, Miss
Priya.
Priya.
I see you all next week.
Priya.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Miss Priya.